Hello and welcome to another Sutton tutorial. Today we're going to answer a very important question. How do Sutton agents log in to the Sutton.com dashboard? The absolute easiest way to get to your Sutton agent dashboard is by visiting the website homebase.sutton.com. Your screen should look like this. It should be a gray background and it says, Welcome to Homebase, your window to everything Sutton has to offer. So again, this is homebase.sutton.com. From here, you're going to type in your username and password. Now, your username is your @sutton.com email address. If you're not sure what your @sutton.com email address is, you'll need to check in with your office administrators. Now type in your password. If you're not sure what your password is, click on Forgot Password down below. You then have two options. Log in on shared computer or log in on your personal computer. Both selections will take you to the same place. However, logging in on your personal computer will keep you logged in for a little bit longer. Now that you've made it to your Sutton dashboard, you can go straight to Apps and Tools to check out all the programs that Sutton has to offer. Thanks for watching another simple tutorial. Thanks for being a Sutton agent. And of course, if you have any other suggestions for a topic or a video you'd like to see, let us know.